Let me tell you something you probably don't know. NEXT distribution network spans 16 warehouses across the UK alone. And in this episode, we've just arrived at our 1.6 million square foot furniture warehouses based in Doncaster. We're about to get a first-hand look at the teams behind the operation and some of the cutting-edge technology that powers our logistics. I'm really excited to see if I can spend a day as a warehouse operative. Is that normal? Let's take it on. Hello, is it Gemma?
It is. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Ellie. Thanks so much for having us today.
Thank you very much. Welcome to Doncaster.
Thank you. Very pleasure to be here. So, first things first, what is your job title?
I am a warehouse operative and currently an apprentice team manager.
Apprentice team manager?
Yeah.
How long have you been on that for?
I've been on this course for coming up to a year now. We're nearly finished. We've just got a presentation to do and then I'm done.
Oh, fantastic.
But I've actually been at Doncaster for 15 years and with the company for 21 this year.
Wow, congratulations. So that sounds like I'm going to be in very safe hands today.
Very safe hands indeed. We've got a jam-packed day for you, lots to get on with.
Yeah, that's my next question actually. What are we doing today?
So we've got a bit of everything, start to finish, the whole process all the way through. Bits of everything, starting up here at intake, right the way through to where we will finally let our products go to the customer.
Well, intake sounds like a great job. Should we go and crack on?
Brilliant, let's get on.
Let's go. Okay, so Gemma, what's first on the agenda?
First task of the day today is going to be intake. All our goods that we're going to send to the customers come in at this end of the warehouse on the trailers, as you can see behind us. We're going to take them off of the trailers and scan them to what's called a TM on our pallets here. Right. The TM will then log everything, all the information about that pallet and where it's allowed to go in our warehouse. And then we're going to give it over to our guys who's going to put it into the machine for us.
Fabulous. So I'm going to help you with a bit of lifting now.
You are going to help me with the lifting. This is the best bit. I hope you've brought your muscles.
I certainly have. Let's go. Okay, so that is 3 sofas down. What's going to happen next is a member of the team are going to take these sofas away and put them into the in-feed. What happens then are the sofas are then taken and put into the high racking, which is behind us now, ready to be picked for customer orders. I've got a few more sofas to do, so I'm going to crack on. Wish me luck.
So we've finished the intake part. We're moving on to the next part of the process, which is the picking process. Okay. First though, we need to fill this grid with pallets and we're going to do that on a Lollop.
Wow.
You're going to have a go on one of these. We've managed to get you some training today.
Oh my gosh, fantastic. Okay, so talk me through it. What is a Lollop?
So a Lollop is the truck that we use to move the pallets from the high bay into the grid so that an operative can pick them. Much easier than doing it all on foot. You drive in with the forks, you lift it up, drive away with the pallet and you place it wherever you need it to be placed.
Fantastic. And I'm going to have a go at driving one of these.
You're going to have a go. We've got you some training.
Okay, so I'm halfway through Lollop training. Have to say, it's very, very fun, very important job. Tim's been great teaching me the ropes. I think what we're going to try and do now is I'm actually going to try and pick a pallet up, so fingers crossed I can do it. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. It's quite fun.
That's it, right. So now we're going to try and reverse into there.
Okay.
So one-handed.
So to beat?
Yeah, beat. Yeah, beat.
So I'm like the reversing camera on my car.
Looking good. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Straight back at that maybe. Can I get away with that? Straight back.
Oh, it's the wheel going over.
Keep going.
And was it this one to raise? And then I can just pull away?
Pull away. That's it. Well done.
Is that normal?
That's normal, so send it to bounce when you come out, it's fine.
Gemma makes this look so easy.
How did you find it?
Oh, it was so much fun. I was really nervous to begin with, but actually once I got on it and Tim showed me, I feel like I did a really good job. So yeah, I'm excited to try that again later.
Brilliant. Ready for the next part?
Yes, I am. What are we doing?
So the next part, we're actually going to get the pallets that you've put in the grid with Tim.
Yeah.
And we're going to pick them so that we can send our items to the customer. We're going to need our pump truck and our pallet.
Lovely. Am I taking this?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to give you these?
And we're going to need our invoices that we've got from our issuer.
Yeah.
And these are going to tell us exactly in the grid where you've just put the pallets.
Okay,
So our first one that we're going to is
GP 1014.
So this is our automated system that takes our pallets from this warehouse, Doncaster 1, to next door, Doncaster 2, where it's going to be loaded. So what we're going to do is we're going to feed it in by placing it over the sensors, and this will pick up that there's actually a pallet here. And this is where the magic happens. If you want to push this button here,
Yes, I do.
that says send pallet,
Right, ready?
listen for the beeping and the magic and the whirring, and off it goes. And that'll actually now go up on the crane, all the way across the bridge.
Oh wow, get lifted up there.
Yeah, and right the way, all the way back to where it's going to be loaded at the other side on the boxes.
Fantastic. How long does it take? Do you know?
I've never actually timed them, but they're surprisingly speedy. I wouldn't like to think I was racing it. We've got a lot of stairs on foot to get to it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Nice. We are going to go over to D2 at some
We
point.
are going to go
today,
over to
aren't
D2.
we? Yeah. Amazing. Wow. How cool is this? It must have taken such a massive team to have like thought about all these different stages and get it to how it is.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Disappears into the abyss.
Bye.
Never get bored of seeing them disappear. Do you want to go do another one?
I absolutely do.
Let's go. Doncaster's split into two sites. Doncaster 1 where we've been this morning, primarily manual work, lifting. We've got a Lollop, but other than that it's all on foot.
Before we go over, what's going on here?
So these are our RGVs, and these are what are going to bring us our pallets to do our loading.
Yeah.
The RGVs are on rails, as you can see. And when we fed our pallet in down there, when we were doing our picking, and it came up our crane, over there is where the crane is, where it's popped out.
Oh yeah, I can make the connection now.
Primarily they are for customer orders, and as you can see down there, this is his QC floor where we quality check all his items, and they can also feed their pallets in when they've finished checking them, and they'll go into the manual system as well over there.
Right, should we go have a look at the manual system?
Have a look. So this is Y chamber.
Wow.
Y chamber is our automated racking system, and it can hold approximately 38 to 39,000 items at any one time.
So this is basically just a bit larger version of what we've just seen in the other room over there?
Yeah, so essentially when your pallets come in, the TM instructs them on where it's going to go, your crane receives the signal, it picks it up and it goes and puts it where it needs to be, and vice versa when you want them out.
And so there's no people on this area?
Absolutely no people, it is all robots. The only people we get in here is if maintenance need to come and have a look at one of the cranes. Doncaster 2 now. We're going to see the next part of the operation and the final part of our operation here, which is the loading side of things. We're going to load our trailers with our customers' orders. They're going to go out to them for delivery today.
Fantastic, very excited. I mean, Gemma, I can't ignore what's going on behind us right now. I mean, firstly, huge, but are these actual lorry trailers inside a warehouse?
They are lorry trailers inside a warehouse. This is our trailer automated racking system. And as you can see, the boxes move around inside the warehouse. They are brought in on a crane and they go up and to wherever they needed to be in the system.
I mean, I can't actually get over how massive this is. How many trailers are we storing in here at the moment?
Absolutely huge. So we store them actually at the top empty once they've been tipped at the bottom. It's loaded over 2 floors. The bottom one's where we tip the items. We load on the first and the second, and then obviously the top one is where we store them.
This is absolutely fascinating. So I'm going to get an opportunity to have a look at what's going on at these stages.
You're going to have an opportunity to look at all the stages, and we're going to load a box. You're going to put some customers' orders on one of them.
Wow, so excited. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're just about to start packing. Gemma's over there getting everything ready for us, but I just wanted to reiterate how crazy it is that this thing behind me is a lorry trailer. We've got multiple ones down there. We are currently 2 floors up. So if that puts into perspective how big the space is, I don't know what will. We've got to now start putting some boxes in the back of this lorry, so Gemma's gonna help me do that, but very excited. We've got some orders to pack. Gemma, I have had an amazing day today.
Me too.
It's been so much fun. Thank you so much for showing me around.
You are quite welcome. What has been your highlight today?
Oh my gosh, there's been so much. I mean, firstly, just wanted to note, obviously, I appreciate that we have done so much, but that is only a very small snippet of what you do on a day-to-day. So massive, massive well done to you. But I think my main takeaways have been the tech that goes into our house.
Yep.
That's been amazing to see, and the scale of it and how much it does help support you and your teams. And on that note, I think it's been really lovely to see like how well you guys work together. You know, like you do really help each other out, and without you here, we wouldn't get parcels to our customers. So you are so crucial to the life cycle of our company and our brand and product. So yeah, I mean, it's been really lovely to be able to see that firsthand. So yeah, thanks for letting me be a part of it.
You are quite welcome. Thank you for coming.
No, it's been a pleasure, and we will see you again soon.
See you again soon.
See you later.